Hey there, fellow anglers, let's talk about fishing reels. Specifically, the two big dogs bait casters and spinning reels. Choosing the right reel can be a game changer on the water. Both types have their own unique advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these differences will help you make the best choice for your fishing style and target species. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Bait casters are the powerhouses of the fishing world. They're built for heavier lines and bigger fish. One of the key features of a bait caster is the spool, which rotates freely during the cast. This allows for incredible casting distance and accuracy, especially with practice. Bait casters also excel at providing greater control over your lure. You can easily stop the spool with your thumb to make precise adjustments. However, bait casters do have a steeper learning curve compared to spinning reels, but trust me, the rewards are worth the effort. Spinning reels are known for their user-friendliness and versatility. They're an excellent choice for beginners. Unlike bait casters, spinning reels have a fixed spool that doesn't rotate during the cast. This makes them much easier to cast, especially for lighter lures. Spinning reels are also incredibly versatile. You can use them for a wide variety of fishing techniques and species. While they may not have the same raw power as bait casters, spinning reels are more than capable of handling most fishing situations. One of the biggest differences between bait casters and spinning reels lies in their casting mechanics. Bait casters require a bit more finesse and coordination. With a bait caster, you need to control the spool with your thumb to prevent overruns or backlashes. This takes practice, but it becomes second nature with time. Spinning reels, on the other hand, are much more forgiving. The fixed spool prevents backlashes, making them easier to learn. Don't be afraid to start with a spinning reel and gradually work your way up to a bait caster as your skills improve. Section 5. Accuracy and distance. Finding your range. In this section, we will delve into achieving the perfect cast with bait casters and spinning reels. Understanding each reel's strengths can enhance your fishing experience. Bait casters generally offer superior control, allowing for longer casts with greater precision. The rotating spool plays a crucial role in this advantage. This feature is beneficial for reaching distant targets or navigating challenging environments. Experienced anglers can drop lures into tight spots with pinpoint accuracy, making a significant difference in fishing success. Precision is key when fishing around cover or structure, where fish often hide. Spinning reels can also be accurate but may not cast as far, especially with lighter lures. They are easier to use and more forgiving for beginners. Advancements in spinning reel technology have narrowed the gap, making them more competitive with bait casters. The best reel depends on your skill level and fishing conditions. Both have unique advantages, so choose based on your preferences and fishing type. Section 6. Lure selection, matching reels to your targets. The type of lure you're using can also influence your choice of reel. Bait casters are generally better suited for heavier lures, such as crankbaits, spinnerbaits, and larger jigs. Spinning reels, on the other hand, excel at casting lighter lures, such as small jigs, soft plastics, and finesse baits. They're also a good choice for techniques like drop shotting and shaky head fishing. Consider the weight and size of the lures you typically use when deciding between a bait caster and a spinning reel. Section 7. Fighting fish smooth reels, happy anglers. In this section, we delve into the intricacies of using different types of reels to enhance your fishing experience. Bait casters are known for their power and precision, making them a favorite for larger fish. Spinning reels are celebrated for their versatility and ease of use, especially with lighter lines and smaller fish. Bait casters offer more power and torque, ideal for battling larger fish. Their design allows for greater control and accuracy. The robust drag system on a bait caster allows for consistent pressure, crucial during a tough fight. Spinning reels, while not as powerful, are preferred for their ease of use and precision with lighter lures. Their smooth drag systems are well suited for fighting fish on lighter lines, reducing the risk of line breakage. Choose a reel with a drag system that matches the size and strength of the fish you're targeting for the best chance of success. Section 8. Maintenance and durability, keeping your reels running. Proper maintenance is crucial for both bait casters and spinning reels. Bait casters tend to require a bit more attention due to their complex design. Regularly cleaning and lubricating your baitcaster will help prevent corrosion and ensure smooth operation. Spinning reels are generally easier to maintain, but they still benefit from occasional cleaning and lubrication. Investing in high-quality reels from reputable brands can also increase their lifespan and reduce the need for frequent repairs. Section 9. Choosing the right reel. Factors to consider. When choosing between a baitcaster and a spinning reel, consider the following factors: your skill level. Baitcasters have a steeper learning curve, while spinning reels are more beginner-friendly. Target species. Baitcasters are better for larger fish, while spinning reels are suitable for a wider range of species. Fishing techniques. Baitcasters excel at casting heavier lures, while spinning reels are versatile for various techniques. Budget. Baitcasters can be more expensive than spinning reels. Section 10. Practical tips for beginners. Mastering the basics. If you're new to fishing, here are some practical tips to help you get started. Start with a spinning reel. They're easier to learn and more forgiving. Practice your casting. Find an open area and practice your casting technique. Use lighter lures. Lighter lures are easier to cast and less likely to cause backlashes. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Experienced anglers are often happy to share their knowledge. Section 11. Conclusion: finding your perfect match. Choosing between a baitcaster and a spinning reel ultimately comes down to personal preference and fishing style. Each angler has unique needs and preferences, and what works for one person might not work for another. Both types of reels have their pros and cons. Baitcasters are known for their power and precision, making them ideal for targeting larger fish and casting heavier lures. On the other hand, spinning reels are celebrated for their simplicity and versatility, making them a great choice for beginners and those who enjoy a wide range of fishing techniques. Baitcasters offer power, accuracy, and control, while spinning reels provide simplicity, versatility, and ease of use. If you're looking to cast with pinpoint accuracy and handle heavier lines, a baitcaster might be your best bet. However, if you prefer a reel that's easy to use and can handle a variety of fishing situations, a spinning reel could be the perfect choice. Consider your skill level, target species, and fishing techniques when making your decision. If you're a beginner, a spinning reel might be easier to master. For more experienced anglers, a baitcaster can offer the advanced features needed for specialized techniques. Think about the type of fish you're targeting and the environment you'll be fishing in. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a reel that you're comfortable using and that meets your specific fishing needs. Don't be afraid to try out different reels to see which one feels right in your hands. Comfort and confidence in your equipment can make a big difference in your overall fishing experience. Now get out there and have some fun on the water. Fishing is not just about the gear, it's about the joy of being outdoors, the thrill of the catch, and the memories you create. So grab your reel, head to your favorite fishing spot, and enjoy every moment of your fishing adventure.